Good morning, fourth graders. Today is Friday, March 12th. For your must-dos today, you need to get into your MT course on Kickstand and complete one lesson or practice page, and then get into Fluency Playground and do the same, one lesson a day, okay? If you need a test reset, if you've taken it once and you did not pass, you will have to wait until Monday. Go back through your course, watch your videos, check your practice pages, go back and check your work. For reading, you need to complete the lesson for the day on Kickstand and do your Wonders to-do list. And I think it is just an assessment today. And then you need to read to self for at least 30 minutes. For writing today, I will put a link to the Grammar Kahoot in our Bitmoji classroom on the bookshelf. All you need to do is click on the Kahoot emoji or the Kahoot icon, not emoji, and that will take you to the link. Some can-do items you can work in your flex course. If you were given a game to play in your MT course, a lot of those games are in the flex course. You can work in Freckle, Sumdog, or Prodigy, or another math game of your choice. For reading, if you finish all your reading work and still need more to do, you can do the games on Wonders, or you can get into Epic and read on Epic. Some other activities if you need something to do. You can do a PE lesson, a music lesson, or a STEAM lesson. It's going to get a little bit nasty this weekend, so what a great time to curl up with a book and do some reading. I will see you all on Monday. Oh, just an FYI for your information. We will be having a pizza party on Monday at lunch. I will also post this in Class Dojo, so you do not need a lunch on Monday. Have a great weekend.